how to turn on or off new followers notifications. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on or how to find the option to turn on or off new followers notifications on your Likee app, easy and quick. So first thing, go to your Likee. Once you are here, click on those three lines up there and you're gonna find those options. All you need to do is click on setting at the bottom and you're gonna find notifications, click on it. And here scroll down until you find new followers. So now if you turn off this option, you are not gonna get a notifications when you have a new followers. That's mean when someone follows you on your Likee app. If you turn on, you're gonna get a notifications. So this is it, easy and quick. Hope this video was helpful to you guys. If this video was helpful to you, don't forget to subscribe and like.